Okay, so let's solve. Please listen. Let's solve 2020. 2020 maths. Delta State 2020 maths. Yes, you are using your notes. 2020 JSS3 exam. Just leave it, we'll see it. Thank you very much. Everybody read. Read for me. 14.28, right?
Yes, sir.
If you are not talking, you are wrong.
Yes, sir.
14.28. What's the place value for 2? This is 0.2. Or we call this what? The 2/10, right? This is tenths. This is what? Hundredths, which is 8/100. This is what? Units. And this is what? Okay. So that's 0.2. Option. Position it well, please. Hey, one person, please. We are number 2. Shift it down a bit so we'll see better. What is the difference between the 5th multiple of 7 and the 3rd multiple of 5? What's the 5th multiple of 7? Okay, the 5th multiple of 7 is 35. And what is the 3rd multiple of 5? The 3rd multiple of 5 is 15. So what's the difference? Are we there?
Yes, sir.
Let me divide my screen so it can be faster. Who is confused? With what? With what, Daniel? Everybody, let's go. What's the issue, Daniel? What do you say is confusing you? I've understood it. How about I read number 3, please? Why aren't you seeing it well? Are you not seeing it? Yes. What? And so? Find the LCM of what?
8, 10, and 15.
Find the LCM of 8, 10, and 15. Camera guys. LCM of what?
8, 10, and 15.
Can 2 go?
Yes.
Talk to me.
4, 5, 2 can go. 2, 5, 15. 2 can go. 1, 15. 5 can go. 5 can go. Wow.
So LCM becomes
2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5.
this time this is 10. This time this is what? 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 10.
120.
Number 4, read for me.
Write down the prime numbers between 20 and 30.
What are the prime numbers between 20 and 30?
23 and 29.
The prime numbers between 20 and 30.
23 and 30.
23 and
29.
number 5.
Eliminate the following without using the number line. 30 minus open bracket minus 5 close bracket.
Minus 13 is what?
13 plus 5 equal to 18.
Number 6.
Arrange the following
We are arranging in ascending order from the smallest to the
biggest.
From the smallest to the biggest. So what's the smallest there? Before?
Minus 4 minus 2 0.
Right? Number 7. Simplify what?
Plus A over 7 plus 6A over 7.
Since the denominators they are the same, we can take one, right?
Yes.
6A plus A.
7A.
A cancels A, that gives us 7 cancels 7, that gives us A, right? Number 8.
I think of a number, square it, then add it. That is 80.
Read again, please, everybody.
I think of a number, square the number, then add it to it is 80. What is the number?
I think of a number, square the number. So let the number be S, right?
Yes.
So square the number.
X squared.
I think of a number, square the number, then add 9 to it. The result is what?
Because of a ring.
Finds the... So S squared becomes what?
So 18 plus 9.
18 minus 9.
Square equals to
18 minus 9, please.
9.
18 minus 9 is 9. So what should I do to get S? So S becomes square root of 9.
9.
Which is what?
3.
Plus or minus 3. I've always told you that square root of 9 is plus or minus. You should start taking note of that. Square root has plus and minus. So the square root of 9 is plus or minus 3. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Number 9. Number 9, please. Express
44.
as a product of its prime factors in index form. So let's go. Can 2 go? Can 2 go? Can 2 go?
Yes, sir.
Can 2 go? Can 3 go? So it becomes 2 times. And that's what?
2 raised to power 4 times 2 raised to power 2.
Who's with the mic? Read again, please. Wait. The score of 20 students in the mathematics test is given. Can you see the table?
Yes, sir.
What is the modal score?
What?
What is the modal score?
40.
Define modal score.
This score is the score with the highest frequency.
So the score with the highest frequency. Let's look at the frequency here. Which one is the highest?
6.
So which score has the highest frequency?
40.
So modal score is what?
40.
Eh? Number 11. You are not centralizing it well. Are you not seeing the screen? Are you not seeing the screen? Excuse, leave here. Go to another seat. Everybody read number 11. Area of a parallelogram, what's the formula? So what's the base here?
12.
And what's the height? 12 times 11.
132 meters square.
Option what?
C.
Number 12.
The polygon is hexagon.
A polygon with 6 sides is called hexagon, right? Or a polygon with 14 sides is called what? Or a polygon with 14 sides is called what? 14 sides. Joshua, 14 sides. Huh? I didn't hear you. Tetradecagon, correct. Go to number 13, please. Oh, have you solved number? Okay, number 12 is hexagon, right? Number 13. He's going there now. Ephraim, are you not saying we are not at number? Are you not? If you are there, you will know now. No moko. Don't worry, we'll get a better stand for our camera. Yes. Okay, try to see. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Calculate what?
Calculate the area of a parallelogram.
Oh, number 13. Yeah, so.
Mistake that can go there. They double the leave it like that and mistake. They gave us extra T.
Number 13. Hold it up so we see. Hold it. Yes, I will read number 13. So want to see that inequality, want to represent it and see what it means. Now, you know, if it's pointing towards this direction, it is what?
Lesser.
It's lesser, because here is shaded. It is equal to, so less than or equal to, and because this is 2, we will now say S is less than or equal to. I made a mistake in my sign.
Yes.
That was not me.
Does this mistake?
Sorry, I was carried away with the camera. So S is less than or equal to what? So that's number 13. Number 14. Everybody please read. So to 1 decimal place, after the point you count. So that's what? Because this is up to 5, so you put it here, it becomes this, right? Number 15. Let's see the figure. The angle of elevation is that we have to look for the angle of depression. So angle of elevation is 37. And we have to look for angle of depression. Angle of elevation is equal to angle of depression. So yeah, still. So angle of depression is 37 degrees, right? Next. You can keep it down now.
Most number 16.
No, number 16. Okay. So number 17. From the table below, find the value of A. Now you can see that A is the value for Y when S is what?
-1.
So when x is minus 1, we'll get the corresponding value for y, which is a. And what is the equation there? Y is equal to what?
Y equal to x. 3 plus x.
Number 17. Y is equal to 3 plus s now is what? Minus 1. So y becomes
Minus 1.
what is 3 plus minus 1?
2 minus 1.
3 minus 1, which is what?
2.
This noise is too much. We are in number 17. Hope you are in number 17 too.
Yeah.
Okay. Who is that? Number 18.
What is the perimeter of the given shape?
Perimeter of the given shape. This is what? This is what?
4 centimeter.
Here is 4, right?
Yes.
Here is what?
2 centimeter.
Now if this is 2, what will be here? Because 2 plus 4 will give you 6 here, right?
Yes.
And if this is 4 and this is 4, what will be here?
8 centimeter.
So distance round. Let's start from here.
6 plus 4.
6 plus 4.
10.
10 plus 4.
14.
14 plus 4.
18.
18 plus 2. 20 plus 8.
28.
So the perimeter is 28 centimeters.
It's total inside.